The Intelligent Paperboard Compression Tester is a basic instrument for testing the compressive strength of paperboard or paper. Equipped with various clamping accessories, it can test the ring crush strength of base paper, the flat crush strength, edge crush strength, and bonding strength of paperboard, so that paper manufacturers can control production costs and improve product quality. First, prepare the sample. 1 parallel corrugated plate and 1 vertical corrugated plate. The parallel corrugated plate should have a value of 100 millimeters, and the vertical corrugated plate should have a value of 25 millimeters. The edge crush test requires 2 guide rails. Place the guide rails in the middle of the pressure plate and put the sample between the guide rails. Select the menu, go to Settings, and choose the force unit according to your needs, N, KN, or KI. After selecting, click OK and then exit. The sample width shown here is the force-bearing width of the sample. The edge crush value is 100 millimeters. Click once to raise the sample slowly, and click twice for rapid raising. Click Stop when the sample is close to the upper pressure plate, then click Test. After the test, print the edge crush test report. Click down to remove the sample. The edge crush test is complete. This test requires an adhesive fixture, including support pins and force pins. Select according to your needs. First, set the parameters, select the menu, go to Settings, Test Type, and click OK. Choose the force unit according to your needs. Place the assembled adhesive fixture in the middle of the pressure plate and click Test. After the test, print the data and edge crush test report.